This video will introduce you to the LSU Online Moodle template. This template provides a framework for faculty to use when building online courses, and it contains suggested language, resources, and activities that instructors can customize. Using this template is beneficial for several reasons. It saves the instructor time when building the course, provides a consistent learning experience for students from module to module, and can be used in any type of course across disciplines and subjects. This video will briefly address the organization of the template and the resource and activity examples that are included in each module. Let's get started. This template provides an easy-to-follow course layout designed by LSU Online. When developing it, we used industry best practices for online learning and visual design. Visually, everything was done with accessibility in mind: the font, colors, use of white space, and placement of items on the page. Each module opens on a separate page, and the section titles are clearly visible at the left of the screen for easy navigation. Minimal scrolling takes users through each module vertically, guiding them along a logical progression from a module introduction and learning objectives to specific resources, and finally, assigned activities. At regular intervals, there are modules provided that alert students to exams or major assessment activities. The template starts with two informational modules or sections: Welcome and Getting Started. These modules provide students with what they will need to start working in the course, such as a course overview, information about the instructor and virtual office hours, and the syllabus. There are also several ways to communicate with students and make sure their questions are answered. Each element in these introductory modules should be edited by the instructor to include personalized instructional language that is relevant to the course. Each subsequent module constitutes one unit of content. We recommend that you think of these modules by topic and not by week, as this will give you more flexibility to focus on learning goals instead of deadlines. Each module contains the same basic structure: a top section with a relevant image and brief module introduction, the list of learning objectives covered in the module, a checklist of steps to meet the objectives or outcomes, and the resources and activities that will help students meet these goals. At any time, the student can refer back to the list of objectives to see how the items in the module are aligned to the specific goals for that module. Our template utilizes online learning best practices, including frequent opportunities for engagement, varied content delivery methods, and both formative and summative assessments that provide timely and constructive feedback. To help you visualize the learning experience, we have provided suggested instructional language in black text, as well as instructions in red text for how the template is meant to be edited by the instructor. The black text should remain, although you can edit to communicate your specific instructions for students. All red text should be deleted or hidden before the course is made available to students. We have also included modules for mid-course and final assessments after modules 3 and 7. These modules are organized in the same way as the instructional modules and include specific detailed instructions for these assessments. Here, students can find information about expectations, assessment instructions, and policies for proctoring and submission. These modules can be moved or deleted as needed. The LSU Online template was designed with the learner's experience in mind. The combination of this basic structure and the instructor's original materials will create the best opportunity for student success.